To remove the Z-truck, start by just popping off the wipers and using our T-handle wrench and our adjustable wrench. We're going to go ahead and get on both of those. We will not turn the T-handle. We are going to use the adjustable wrench to rotate away, and we're going to follow back and continue to work our way around until you feel the T-handle loosen up enough. The reason that we're rotating back and forth is so that we don't get that bearing bound up too tight. And you'll feel once the lock washer or the thread cement, if it's from the factory, let loose, okay? And that'll slip right off. Do that with both bearings. Now, once you remove the bearings, it is not uncommon for that side rail to fall off. Often you'll need a magnet to be able to get that out of there, but it'll fall down. That's perfectly fine. They're supposed to be loose. Once we have removed those, we're going to go to the back of the machine and go through the heatsink onto this screw here. We're just going to loosen that up. We're not going to take it out. Just a couple of turns. Loosen that out. You see how that motor just came up? This motor is actually held in tension with this spring, and we're just going to go ahead and loosen that up just a few turns. Now, if you do end up taking that screw out, it's not the end of the world. We just want to get it loose enough so that we can push down, and you see how we take the tension right off of that belt. We can then just lift it up and walk it off. Again, rails falling off, perfectly normal. They are supposed to spin, so that's it.